So another weekend, another adventure. Today Eric and I are going to replace the brakes on my service truck. I got called out this morning and on the way back was having some issues, so it may not be very much fun on a Sunday afternoon, but it's got to get done. So maybe you can learn something along the way, and maybe I can teach Eric something. So here we go. NASCAR. Oh man, those shiny bits, that's not good. The front pad doesn't look too bad, but I don't see a back one at all. So get this thing opened up and get this thing opened up and see how bad it is. The rotor still looks really thick, so may not have to replace this. So we just got the caliper off, and I think I found the problem. You see that back brake pad? It's paper thin. It is all the way down onto the steel. Front one's not horrible. Normally when they're like this, there's these deals here that slide and allows the pad to wear evenly. If one's stuck, like this bottom one, it'll only wear the inside. The outside really won't wear much. So I think that that's what we got going on, is something like that. But we'll go through everything and clean it up real good. Hopefully it's gonna work. That is completely gone. Wow. All right, we'll grab the new ones and show you what they're supposed to look like here in just a second. All right, so these are the new pads. You can see they are much thicker. I'm really surprised I made it home with this. I'm gonna check the rotor really good and make sure it's not too damaged. I really need to get it taken off, and there's a shop in town that resurfaces them, so probably that's what I'm gonna have done. That's bad. So get that done next and get this thing put back together. So the next step in this process is to recompress this caliper, and they sell a tool for just a few dollars. But if you don't want to buy that, you can use a big C-clamp. Probably a lot of you that watch this know this already. But if you use the old worn out brake, center this up, hopefully there's not too much of an issue. Now you need to be careful when you're doing this. These rubber seals help keep the dust out of these pistons. So you want to make sure they're going in straight, not getting pinched. Because if they do, then you're going to have other issues. Now if you're just doing brake pads and you do not have a leak in your system, you should not have to add any brake fluid. As you compress the caliper, it'll send brake fluid back up to the reservoir. You shouldn't have anything to worry about. Now with these tight, you can see the caliper has play in it from these two slide collars here. If Eric, can you jump in the truck for me, buddy, and hit the brake once or twice? Remember, it's on a jack, so don't be jumping around. You don't need to start it. You'll see when Eric hits the brake, the calipers will start coming out, and it'll help center this. Yeah, let off and do it again. And now you should have brakes. That's good, buddy. Thank you. So, and then once you let off, the caliper will release a little bit, but you'll still have it pretty tight. So anyway, that's one side done. Now we gotta mess around with this other side. I think I'll let Eric do it. Hopefully he learned enough. I don't have to do anything. Well, everybody, that's that. It only took about an hour. Wasn't too bad. I had Eric helping me. Got all the mess cleaned up. Tires back on it. And caps. Need to go for a little test drive probably. But I can wait till Monday morning. But anyway, hope you're having a great weekend. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.